Hello students, how are you? So I think you are safe at home due to corona because whole country is locked down up to 3rd May. So my dear students, we hope this disease will controlled. But we are taking, because today is Saturday, we are taking this as activity corona. And then you see what is this corona. First of all, you must know it is corona. This is the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, which you see. This is the disease infections by newly virus, that name is coronavirus. Because sometimes you listen coronavirus by this, hear this, so newly founded, then yes, this is coronavirus, and then it is due to the infection, this will spread. Now sometimes you see due to this corona, some safety measurements also they are given, some precautions also they are given, symptoms also given, and then I think some our Prime Minister Modi, he has given the message also, corona कोई रोड पर ना निकले. Just they have some message also they are given, कोई रोड पर ना निकले. It means some infections also there outside, some safety measure, due to safety measures also they are given the message. Clear this? So corona, clear this? It means corona कोई रोड पर ना निकले. Clear this? Corona, just time say corona घर पर रहो ना. Clear this? घर पर रहो. So understand? So my dear students, so you feel this. So the message also they are given, stay home, save lives. Understand? So my dear students, just we are taking this as activity. So today Saturday we think, then we have to tell some steps how you are safe at home. This will tell today. First of all, you know this coronavirus disease, this name is maximum they saying it is COVID-19. COVID-19, it is an infectious disease caused by COVID-19, newly discovered coronavirus, because it is a newly disease. Yes, it is caused by newly virus, that is name is coronavirus. So my dear students, you know very well, so that in all over the world it is banned, you are locked down, everything is locked down, so that it is due to the infection, it is more than 1,000 times infection than it is about your sneezing. So first of all, you must know what is the symptoms of this disease. Symptoms, you see, if you are feeling fever, if you are feeling fever, maybe viral also. Sometimes by tiredness you are feeling problem, and then it may be viral, no problem. Then you get it check up, and then fever is there, tiredness is there, dry cough is there. If dry cough is there and running nose, if sneezing problem is there, running nose is there, if all are problems at once, then better you take the help of doctor. You go to hospital and then get it check up, take proper guidance, then you check it will be checked. Hear this? And then my dear students, because it was the don't take it otherwise, don't take it otherwise, because in Italy also, in China also, in the starting they have taken it otherwise, but due to the data increasing there in our India, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he has taken the good step in the starting, that is the lockdown of the country, whole country, not only in single state. Lockdown whole country, everything is stopped. He has not seen the economical condition of this, economical growth of this. Only he has seen the your life. And then he has given the message, stay home, stay lives, save lives. Understand? So first of all, you must aware about this common symptoms, and then if for this you have to, first of all, you must care about this and we care about this, and then you have to follow the precautions. What are the precautions? First precautions is stay home. Clear this. And then second, social distance. Understand? Stay home means you have to stay home. You will not go outside, and don't allow the other persons also inside. So you be safe. And how if you are safe, it means no disease will come here. Now second, social distances will be there. If any emergency you are going outside, then it 1 or 2 meter distance must be there within two persons. Clear this, so that if, because it is, this disease is spreading with the small droplets from your sneezing, from your coughs. If you are taking problems, having sneezing there, or cough is there, some drops are there, clear this, and then it will, some person is nearby you, it will go on that persons. And then for this also, when you come from the other side at home, then you wash your hands, and then at least wash your hand 20 seconds, and then start from the back side of the hand also, and then here also. Clear this. So in every hour you have to wash your hands. When you are sitting at home also, you follow this, and then cover your cough. So it means when you are going outside, even at home also, if you have a problem also, then you cover your cough, means you have to put the mask on your mouth, on your nose, so that you will be safe. Clear this. And when you go outside, if you are touching anything, then don't touch your hand at the nose, at the eyes, at the mouth, because germs will go, virus will go insides. And then one more also I will say, if you are coming inside, so better you take at home warm water. Avoid this ice cream, cold drink at home. So in these days you avoid this cold drinks, clear this, and then all these ice creams also, so you take only warm water, because doctor says, and then it is, virus will be here in the throat, 2 or 3 days, when you will take warm water and it will go down, and then it will be, death will be there of the virus. So you will be safe. So my dear students, and then due to for this safe also, even our Home Ministry has told, then you have to download the app Arogya, and then so that you must be care of this. What are the diseases? What are the precautions? Day by day they are telling new things, so you must aware about that also. So my dear students, so if you are sitting at home, then these precautions you are doing, then you are safe at home, and then day by day we are seeing the problem we are solving. Vaccines they are preparing, it will be complete within a week, then problem will be solved, and then we will control on this disease also. Understand? Now, and this disease, and then data we are collecting from our countries also, from our districts also, states also. So if we are having the data, and then you have seen the some pictures also, and then data also, how this it is increasing day by day, and then some graphs also you are looking, how the graphs are there. You just like, if I say how many cases are there in our Haryana, hear this, in your Haryana state, in between the Haryana, in districts or in maybe states also, how many cases of this corona and then how many deaths are there. Just we can compare, and then by the graph also we can show. Suppose if I am saying, just I am taking the top 5 just states. Suppose states are there: Haryana, just like Delhi, UP, and then MP, and one more I am taking, Gujarat. Hear this. If I am doing only the number, how many due to corona disease, how many deaths are there up to 23rd. Just I am taking data up to 23rd April. How many deaths number of deaths are there? So just you see, it is in Haryana only 3 are there. Delhi 47, in UP 21, MP 80 are there, in Gujarat 95. So you see, my dear students, in Haryana only 3 cases are there. It means even though we are safe, we are under control. So it is our request to you also, with the help of data, it means you must be happy. In Haryana it is controlled, but situation is very much bad in MP also, in Gujarat also. Hear this. So now you have seen this data on TV also, how they are making graph for the proving this, because sometimes you are looking bar graph, some they are making histogram, some they are making you can see polygon curve graph. So my dear students, so how to start this? You see, just for bar graph, it is x-axis, this is y-axis. So my dear students, you take these states on just like x-axis, and then this side you will take number of deaths. Hear this. So for this, I am telling how they are making the bar graph. Just to see, if I am taking first in this way, just first 2 it is for Haryana, and then it is for Delhi, and it is for UP. First this is for UP also, another for MP also, you see, just MP. So if they are taking 3, 47, 21, 80, 95, up to maximum is 95. So better you take the scale of 10, 10 on your graph. So you can take also in this way. If you say you want to take Gujarat also, then Gujarat also you can adjust here in this way. So you see here. Hear this. So in this way, I can take the scale of 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Clear this? So now my dear friends, simple you see, just due to this data of this corona deaths, only we are learning how we are taking the data in your mathematics, in statistics, and then we are making the bar graph. Clear this? Just comparison. This is the comparison we can check due to with the help of bar graph. So in Haryana, how many cases are there? 3 cases. Then you take up to this 3. And in Delhi, 47 cases are there. Then up to 47, you see, this is 47. This is 3, this is 47. And in UP, 21 case, then you take in this way, it is 21. And then in MP, 80 cases are there, then you take, this is 80. It is 80. And then Gujarat, 95. Then you see, in Gujarat, maximum cases are there. So in this way, so if we are using this bar graph, because with the help of bar graph, within a second, within a minute, any person is very much clear about this growth of this. How many cases are there? How many cases are there in every state? With the bar graph it is clear. So yes, it is 3, 47, 21, 80, 95. It means in Gujarat it is bad condition. So from only without this, only from bar graph it is clear. Sometimes you have seen it is bar graph. Sometimes you see on the, because it is a, when they see growth of this, how many cases are increasing day by day. When increasing are, when deaths are increasing day by day, it means growth will be there, and then graph in this way. If day wise it is increasing, if in the end after some days when condition is under control, deaths are stopped, then you see, sometimes you see this graph will go down. It means when graph is increasing up to maximum, then it is controlled up to last, it is 0. Then it means if it is 0, deaths are stopped, it is 0, it means you are free. This disease is under control, and it means we are safe. India has controlled this on this disease. So my dear students, if you see graph will go down and then in 0 condition, it means you are safe. So my dear students, because we are a family, we are sitting together. So for family, we must follow the precautions which are given by the doctor, which are given by the country. So 100% we have to follow for our country also, for our family also. Thank you. Have a good day.